I love coming into the crowd and picking people that don't think they're going to be picked. You, up on stage. I'll get your name in a second. You up on stage, and let me just see what I can see. You, come on up on stage. This is going to be great. Come on up on stage. What's your name?
Carla.
Carla, come on up. Hop ahead for Carla and the other lady I picked. Carla and the other lady. We'll find out her name. And
Tanya.
Tanya. Hi, Tanya. Nice to meet you. How about it for Tanya and Carla? Tanya and Carla. There you go. Take that, Carla. This game is called sound effects. And what's going to happen is these guys are going to do a scene, and anytime they need sound effects added to the scene, you guys are going to give them the sound effect. And let's say Greg was going to open a rusty door. It might sound something like this. Perfect.
Yeah.
Swallow the mic nice and loud, and say that Colin was going to dribble a basketball. What would it sound like? Perfect. Now, somebody give me an idea of a very active, dangerous kind of profession. Anything outdoors? Anything? Race car driver, this guy said.
Race car driver.
I like that one. Race car driver. Take it away with sound effects.
Are you ready for the big race?
Am I ever ready for the big race? This one's for the money, Bill.
I'm winning this one.
I don't think so.
Oh, you don't know my pre-game ritual.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna milk this leopard and then drink it.
Okay.
Shut up! Shut up!
That's impressive. Listen to that leopard roar. Okay, it's not as impressive as it might be.
I know you've won the last 9 out of 10 races. But
That's
this
right.
is my day.
Because of my lucky mascot, Shandor, the falcon. Come, Shandor!
I don't know a falcon.
He's a quizzical bird. He only asks questions. Shandor, fly! Shandor's drunk.
I laugh at Shandor.
Oh, do you?
Yes, because I have my mascot, Willie, the lisping giraffe.
That's quite a cute giraffe you've got there.
Why, thank you.
Well, I've got to put some new tires on my car. It's a high-performance vehicle. Fortunately, I have a tire putter-on-her thing that works mechanically. I have Nerf tires. Oh. Ooh. You all right there?
Fine.
Okay. I'm gonna put on my Velcro seatbelt.
All I have to do is think about mine.
Well, my car's computer programming. Let me just punch in today's data. Mine's made of Jell-O.
Car, start.
Wow.
First, I have some crackers.
I'm gonna turn the key on mine. It's a gag key. I better check the engine. Whoop. I've got to do some soldering and attach some of the wires.
Look, in the name of good sportsmanship, I'm
Yes?
going to help you. Willie is very good at welding. Willie, weld! Sometimes he just likes to pee on the engine. That usually works.
That'll get it done. All right, let me just slam the hood.
Clunk.
Okay, I'm going to have to start the race. The guy who usually does it's dead. On your mark. Get set. Mine just burst into flames.
I'll get my fire extinguisher out. Well, I'm glad you're all right. Now that you've finished and you've beaten me fair and square, I'd like to open some champagne. I've got it here in the trunk of my racing car. Let me just pop the trunk open. Boop. I had a feeling it would do that. All right, I'm gonna open the champagne. Boop.
Good year, good year.
It really was. Here's your glass. I'll just pour some in. It's made of powder.
Oh, good.
You have to add giraffe urine to it.
Willie! Cheers.
Click.
All right, we're gonna end that there.
everybody. Thank you very much.